Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve the question find largest value in each tree of row. So as you can see, this is a classic example of binary tree where it requires us to find the maximum element from each row or other level. So uh, we know that we have to find the maximum element from a given level. So we're going to go ahead and implement the level order traversal and find the maximum from the current level which we are at. So we know that for a level order traversal we use the queue data structure, and I'm just gonna go ahead and code it up. So I'll be explaining each of the thing which I code. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. So let's get the uh, default test case out, which is if we have root as null, then we are gonna return nothing but null. Mm, let's store an answer variable because it requires us to return a vector of int where we have the integer values for each of the rows, like the maximum values for each of the rows in the vector of int. Let's return that if the row is null. Mm, now let's define the queue data structure as we said. Each of the node gonna have this, and let's push the root initially. So while the queue is not empty, iterate through the queue. I'm going to store the size for the current queue level. Let's define our maximum variable where we're going to store the maximum for the given level, right? So we're going to initialize it with something which is very small. Then we're going to iterate through the current level of the root. So initially it will be 1 because we have only the root in it. Mm, right. So we're going to take out the first element from the queue. So as you know, queue is first in first out, so we're gonna be using the front for taking out the front element. Current element will go something like queue dot front. I'm gonna pop it on the queue. Now we're gonna store the maximum. Now after storing the maximum, like if we have restored, like we have updated the maximum from the current node's value, we're gonna check if the current node has any left child or not. If it does have left child, we're gonna just push that into the queue, and we're gonna do the same for the right as well, right? So if the current node has a right child, then we're gonna push it into the queue. Now, after iterating to the particular from the given level, we're gonna store the maximum into our answer. So we're gonna push it into the answer vector different array. Now we have this. After this, we're gonna return the maximum uh, of integer array, which is the answer. Let's see if it runs fine or not. I think it should be okay. It passes the test cases. Run it for the hidden ones. Yeah, we're good. So guys, please don't forget to comment and drop a like. Yeah, thank you.